Hello all, welcome to Tech Capture. Myself Vishal Bulbule, and in this video we are going to see what is count and count index in Terraform. So basically count and count index are meta arguments in a Terraform and we can use it along with our resource block. But we'll see what is the purpose of this count and count index. So I'll go to my VS Code. So here we have a sample Terraform configuration files. So my requirement is I have to create a multiple storage bucket in my Google Cloud. So I am giving the resource block name as the first is tf test, and I am creating the bucket name with the name tf000. Then next bucket I am creating as a tf001, 2, 3 and so on. So I have to create suppose a 5 or 10 bucket. So here I am creating 4 bucket for now. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bucket, and using this, if I execute a Terraform plan, my plan will show it is creating a 4 bucket. Okay, so it is creating a 4 bucket. Now suppose I have a requirement to create a 50 bucket or 100 bucket. So what I can do, I can just copy paste this single block of code 100 times, and in each block I have to change this from 3 to 4, 5 to 6, like that. So this is first thing, this is a manual task, or you could say this is making your code complex and there is a lot of chances of error or issues. So if your code is too big, it doesn't mean you are very good developer. So code has to be efficient rather than a big. So this purpose, or like this requirement to create like 100 resources, can be achieved using the count meta argument in Terraform. So how we can use that count? So now suppose just I'll comment this all block of the code and I'll just keep a single block. Okay, and if I'll execute a Terraform plan, so it will create a plan with one single bucket. So it is trying to create one single storage bucket as we have a single resource block. So every resource block in Terraform is designed to work only, or designed to create only a single resource until unless we specify a count. Now suppose I specify count here. I want to create similar kind of resource 10 times. Okay, so I want to create 10 storage bucket with a similar kind, the same location also. And if I execute this now, what will happen, the same resource block will create a 10 similar kind of resources, and if we remove count it will only create one. So now let me execute my plan again. Okay, now you could see 10 to add, so it is creating 10 storage bucket. So I can use this, but here you could see the challenge. What will happen, so all storage bucket name you could see is the same, tf000. So bucket name should be globally unique, that is the standard for GCP, as you all know. So first bucket name is tf000. Okay, second bucket name is again tf000. So we want to create a storage bucket names with a unique names. So what I will do now, here instead of, I'll just remove last 0, and here to change a storage bucket name to have a unique name, I'll add count dot index. So for first iteration the index will be 0, for second iteration index will be 1. So like that it will create a unique names for each storage bucket. Let me execute plan now. Okay, and we'll see the names now. Okay, so first storage bucket will have name 000. Second, again we'll see 000. Okay, because it is just executing first iteration. Now let me do a Terraform if apply. and we'll see if it gives error. Okay, and it created. So let me go here and see if it created a buckets with unique names. I'll just go to storage bucket. Okay, and now you could see it created bucket. So time you could see 12, just a few seconds before. So bucket it created 0000001 to till 009. So it created identical 10 buckets. So you can create. So suppose now I want to increase the count from 15. So it will just say 5 more to add. I'll just do Terraform plan, and it will add 5 more storage bucket. Okay, 5 to add. So in this way you can scale your infrastructure using this count. So suppose if you want to increase the bucket number, you can just increase to count. Now I'll do Terraform apply, and 5 more buckets will be created. I have to mention yes. Okay, and now let me scroll down. You could see 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all these buckets are created now. So in this way you can scale your infrastructure, or you can iterate your single resource block using the count meta argument, and you can use a count index to give your naming convention or use inside your resource block. So I'll destroy these resources now. So let me know if you have any question on using count or a count index. So thank you for watching this video.